Hi, one final thing I want to show you quickly in an object is how to call an object method. Initially when we define an object, I told you this is an object method. And so if you document dot write this and you say person dot this, it's gonna throw up it's gonna bring back the functions to you. And that's an easier way to do that. You can do that using dot notation. You can use that using the square bracket notation. And so to do this, all you need to do is to add this to it. Let's see. And voila, it's alerted back what we called out. Okay, so let's see how we can do that using the bracket notation. Okay, just a moment. Let me remove this document.write. We're making a mistake there because we already alerted it here. Oop, that didn't go well. Let's see. Up. I'm supposed to quote this. Okay, this should work well now. Okay, so here we are. Okay, that's it. And that's how you can actually call the method of an object. So thank you very much for listening. See you in subsequent part of the tutorial. Thank you.